for our training. It got postponed for 30 minutes. Now we are still searching because we are new. And here I'm doing little bit acting because we are in the office and I still can't find the room. I think it's here.
The world tries to be you and leave you lonely, but there's light you see. 'Cause now we are God. They can push, they can break, they can throw our bones away.
No response. What will you do? No response.
मैडम भी हो सकती है.
So, what's your name, sir?
Anirudh.
Anirudh. All of you please raise your hand and show the point finger. Okay, Anirudh.
Anirudh.
Call emergency number and bring AED.
Call emergency number and bring AED.
Good. Call over. Ready? Yes. Call for help is over. Then check pulse. Place 2 fingers on the neck area and see the chest rise and fall. See the chest rise and fall. Yes, and see the chest rise. Okay, madam, place 2 fingers and see the chest rise and count 10 seconds. 1 and 2 and 3 and 4 and 5 and 6 and 7 and 8 and 9 and 10 and so both side there is a pulse. Okay ना, but nearest pulse near means near to you. This is very near. ऐसा चेक किया तो टाइम लगेगा. ओके, आपका नाक कहाँ पर मतलब ऐसा भी दिखा सकता है, ऐसा भी दिखा सकता है.
ये वाला डेमोंस्ट्रेशन अच्छा.
हाँ, ये तो अच्छा नियरेस्ट है ना, ये नियर टू यू. सो विच इज नियर टू यू? आप कहाँ से बैठे हो, इस तरफ वाला नियर, इस तरफ से.
यहाँ पे जहाँ का हैंड पोजीशन आपका परफेक्ट है, that can be also near to you.
Yes.
Maybe here you might not be able to. हाँ, that should be the perfect one.
So which is the comfortable,
हाँ,
easiest way?
Correct.
See, if you keep like this, we can't visible the chest.
Okay.
Yeah.
So,
Oh yes.
Right.
so if you place this, and your chest is visible clearly.
Right.
So that is very near to you, near to consider the pulse. Be easy access, easy to remember, easy to identify and feel. Okay na? So no pulse, no breathing. Place heel of the hand exactly center in between the nipples. Okay, that area. And lock your fingers, both hand fingers. Okay, the first hand finger should be open. Okay, heel of the hand into place. Ready? Press 5 centimeter depth. Okay, ready? Start. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20, 21, 22, 23, 28, 29, 30. Pinch the nose, do head tilting lip, give mouth to mouth ventilation. See the chest rise, good. Come back to the compressions. Ready, start compression, second cycle. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20, 21, 22, 23, 29, 30. Give 2 breaths. So everyone please
Anirudh, call the ambulance.
get AED. Okay, good. Check pulse and breathing. Check heel of the hand exactly center of the chest and lock the fingers and straight your elbow. Ready, start. 1, 2, 3, elbow straight. 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20, 22, 23, 24, 25, 26, 27, 28, 29, 30. Perfect. Give 2 breaths. Pinch the nose. Come back to the compressions. Start compressions. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10.
उधर जाएगा खुद ही उसको बचाओ.
Okay. Last cycle. Ready, start compressions. Place the hands. Start. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19,
अंदर ही बचेगा.
5 centimeters.
Standards are 3 CPR, right?
No, 5 cycles, 5 times.
5 cycles.
But just for
That is to
yes, pulse is back. And breathing also back. No response. Patient is unresponsive. Left lateral position.
Hold tight, I've been right where you're standing. Just hold tight to me. The world tries to be you and leave you lonely, but there's light you see. 'Cause now we are God. They can push,
कूपन मिले हैं इस ट्रेनिंग का, तो लेट्स सी आज लंच में क्या है। चलो। थैंक यू।
अंकिता ने 2 लंच लिया है, अभी 2 खाने वाली है।
प्रोडक्ट सेफ्टी
कहाँ बैठते हैं?
दैट्स इट।
न्यू बिल्डिंग।
हाँ
नहीं आना से किया, कैसे किया ना वो बाहर आता है, ठीक है। कैसे भी नहीं है वो टाइम पे क्या करना, ओके आई विल हेल्प, आई एम मनोहर, आई विल हेल्प यू, आई विल गो बैक ऑफ हिम, प्लेस योर वन लेग बिटवीन हिज लेग्स, एनी पेशेंट, ओके, मेक ए फिस्ट। सर अभी खाना खाया पता है, लोकेटेड अम्बलिकस के ऊपर 2, ओके, जस्ट बिलो द फर्स्ट सेगमेंट। क्या करना, एटलीस्ट 2 इंच इनवर्ड एंड अपवर्ड दबा, इनवर्ड एंड अपवर्ड। अभी खाना खाए इसलिए नहीं दबा रहे, इनवर्ड एंड अपवर्ड, इनवर्ड एंड अपवर्ड, इनवर्ड एंड अपवर्ड।
Hold me close till I get up. Time is barely on our side.